on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah. Standing on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah. Trying to stay down so emotions I do not show. Hate when I'm up, love me better when I was poor. Used to be bummy, they looked at me like a joke. Gave my life to Christ and ain't turning back no more. I'm thanking God cause I know he cleaning my spirit. If you got bad news, I'm sorry, don't wanna hear it. You can feel that pain and that truth in all of my lyrics. It done been some time I've been by myself and start tearing. I done lost like 5 homies in 1 year, that's no cap. I was losing, I kept on losing, getting locked up back to back. My ex-fiance left me and she waited till I spent all of my racks. I was down, back pockets flat, thinking bad things with that strap. But he made a way, so I had to change. I was chasing fame, doing evil things. Gave up the game, I couldn't stay the same. It's so hard to find people keeping it real any day. Standing on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah. Standing on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah. I ain't gon' lie, still got homies that's in the streets. I just pray that one day they will listen to me. I know that living this life ain't gonna be cheap. Resist the devil, eventually he gon' flee. I know some people I love that had did me wrong, but I thank God all it did was just make me strong. Had to realize God had been with me all along. I done took my heart and I put it all on this song. My partner Dre open his front, don't see nobody stretch. Tryna be peaceful in my hood, but they don't honor that. I had a pistol put on me before I hit puberty. Homie only 16, the pastor reading his eulogy. Talking to the youth cause they the main one that's lost, man. Crucify my flesh and I ain't caring what it's costing. I gave up plenty times, I feel like I had lost, man. By God's grace is why we living like some bosses. Standing on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah. Standing on business and steady doing my best. Gotta keep going, not really knowing what's next. I've been repenting and crucifying my flesh. Crucify my flesh, crucify my flesh, yeah.